Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to revise the lesson How They Saved Their Trees. Today we are learning the characters of this lesson are narrator 1 and 2, the village headman, 5 elders of the villagers, Chandi Prasad, Tara and Gopi, Hari Singh and his maid, and also all the villagers. Children, we know that people of the Uttarakhand in Gopeshwar village, they were suffering. Now also in Uttarakhand, such a natural disaster has come. The flood is there where people are struggling. So many years back, also the people faced this problem. And since 3 years they were suffering in the village of Gopeshwar, which is in India, a small village called Gopeshwar. It is located in Uttarakhand. The people planned to reach to the headman of the village and discuss and plan what can be done. They went. Headman was also very happy to be with them, made and planned what else can be done. Each one narrated their problem and said, since many years we are suffering and we don't know what we can do. The villagers all explained their difficulties, and headman said, yes, I understand. It is a real problem because I too am facing it. But what can we do? The village member of the one said that it is the will of God. The second one said, what we can do, we have to adjust and accept. Third one said, we can't do it. Every year our crops are washed away, cattle are washed away, houses are broken and gone. How can we live? How can we protect? We have to protect our family, our crop, our cattle and ourselves. The village headman said, yes, it is true and I agree with your problem. I have heard all of your problem. But can anybody suggest what we can do? And there comes one man stood up and says, sorry sir, if you allow me, I will speak. And he said, headman of the village, that you don't get frightened. You can speak fearlessly. Tell us, who are you and what you know about it? We can try to learn. And then Chandi Prasad got up and he said, sir, my name is Chandi Prasad, but I have studied for many years about the trees and plants. And I know certain things which I can help you and explain you. And then the village headman said, okay man, go ahead, tell us what we can do and how we can solve this problem. See here in our book it is saying, narrator 1, Gopeshwar is a village in India. It is in the state of Uttarakhand. Second narrator says, the village of Gopeshwar have gathered round for a village meeting chaired by the headman of the village. Narrator 1 says, let us meet the villagers and find out how they overcome a serious challenge. This is a challenge, flood. What we can do, something has to do, how to face this challenge. Village headman says, gather round everyone. We will start our meeting now. Tell me what problem you are facing. The villager 1, It is the monsoon season, sir. You know what that means. So he says it is rainy season and you know it what it means because every year we are facing it. Second villager says, just like previous years, the flood have washed away all our crops. He is telling just like last year, previous years, this year also has washed away. I am worried about my house and cattle as well. They were all washed away because of the heavy rain 3 years ago. Village headman, I understand your problems, but what can we do this? What can we do? It is still the will of God. That's true. Maybe God is angry with us. One villager says, because God is angry, that's why we are getting this problem. Alas, we have just accept it and carry on with our lives. Village headman, okay, I have heard all of you, but there must be something we can definitely do. Does anyone have any idea? Chandi Prasad Bhatt gets up and says, I do, sir. Will you allow me to speak? So Chandi Prasad got up and said, sir, I know something. Will you allow me to speak? Village headman, yes, my dear man. Come forward and tell us who you are and do speak out fearlessly. So he said, yes, man, you tell us, don't need to get frightened. Get up and tell us fearlessly what is your name and what is your plan and what idea you have got. Chandi Prasad, my name is Chandi Prasad Bhatt. I have studied plants and trees for many years now. There are some things that you should all know about the plants. So Chandi Prasad said, I know the things and you all should know about the plants and trees. Is very good things. So he started to say and people were all listening very carefully with full interest. And the first thing he said that trees are very, very important for our life. Tree give us flower, fruits, timber and also purify the air. They give us oxygen. They keep the clean atmosphere. They take up all the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen to breathe. Okay, children? So we know the importance of the trees, values of the trees. We will see in the next class what else happened.